Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Muhammad Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com New York Forex trading session. I am going to present Elliot Wave Analysis and Forex Forecast. I mainly use Elliot Wave to trade and forecast the market, and I also teach trading with Elliot Wave online course. I also use different forex day trading systems and strategies, and the trading course is available online. So for those who are interested to learn how to make money in trading, check out my website. There are different ways to communicate with me. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, let us take a look at price chart. Let's go over to the EURUSD trying to drop over here. Okay, let me first take a look at radar screen, see what's going on. Okay, at this point in time, it seems to me EURUSD, GBPUSD, USD Swiss franc, same goes with AUDUSD and NZDUSD pair. They're trying to move sideways. In other words, we should use a sideways trading strategy. Okay, I clicked on the refresh button, so it will take probably a few seconds. Okay. Okay, the refresh looks complete. Let's check out what's going on with the aberration scanner. And it seems to me Aussie dollar is trying to show us some aberration over here in 30 minutes chart. Let's take a look at reversal scanner. Okay, EURUSD, GBPUSD, same goes with AUD and NZDUSD pairs. They are going down, and the US dollar, Swiss franc, USDCAD, even the US dollar index is going up. The Euro GBP actually looks interesting. I will check out the Euro GBP currency pair. Okay, go back to the live stream. By the way, I've taken a sell in Aussie dollar currency pair right over here, and this is my sell entry. The trade is open. I'm inside the market. Okay. So let's start with Euro dollar currency pair. So EURUSD, the way I see market is probably going to drop over here, and we got these old swing highs over here. All of these are basically false breakouts, and now market is trying to drop over here. My preferred Elliot Wave count is bearish. I expect market is going to drop first, then I expect a bullish leg after that. I do have a second Elliot Wave count, also known as alternative Elliot Wave count, which suggests price action is going to drop around 0.50% Fibonacci retracement level, then expect a bottom in price action. So if you take a look at Euro dollar currency pair, it seems to be market tried to rally back up, then failed. Now it's going back down. Next one is the US dollar index. This is what I've told you guys, that the US dollar index is going to rise up, and today we got a bullish leg. Now regarding the US dollar index, market is most likely going to rise up around 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level. Then I expect a top and a drop inside the DX. Next one is the pound dollar GBPUSD currency pair. Pound dollar is falling down. I actually expect a new low in market. This quick drop in price action, that's not enough, and GBPUSD currency pair is going to drop more. It could fail as well. It could fire up, like this as well. That's also possible. So GBPUSD currency pair, this is what I've told you yesterday, that pound is going to drop, and use your own day trading strategies. Look for a sell trade. Hopefully you guys manage to make some money out of it. Next one is the AUDUSD currency pair. Regarding the Australian dollar AUDUSD currency pair, the way I see market is most likely going to drop. It's just going sideways. That's all. This was the trend line break over here. So the way I see AUDUSD currency pair is going to drop more. Okay, it's not going to stop the decline over here. Expect more drop in price action. Another wave count is we might get a bullish pattern up there, and then it's going to drop, but this was the failure. So let me tell you what's going to happen. Market is probably going to drop more. Okay, so my forecast is bearish in AUD-USD pair. Price action is going to drop, then rallies back up. Expect further weakness in price action. Okay. In terms of Elliott wave, this looks like to me we got a bearish running triangle Elliott wave pattern. Okay. NZDUSD currency pair, my forecast is bearish, and price action is probably going to break below this swing low over here. Okay, so the way I see NZDUSD currency pair, expect further weakness in price action. Use your own day trading strategies to look for a sell trade inside New Zealand dollar versus United States dollar currency pair. If you do not have a day trading strategy, check out my website. You can learn it. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc. So yesterday I told you guys, if you want, you can check out the live stream recording, that USD Swiss franc is going to rise up, and we got a bullish leg over here. So my forecast is bullish, at least on a short-term basis, inside US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Price action is going to rise up more. Okay. So this was the breakout. This is what I've told you guys. We got this wedge shape formation over here. Let me adjust these trend lines. So we got this wedge shape formation, and I told you guys that we're probably going to get a bullish breakout above 0.8033 level. Got the breakouts, expect more upside in US dollar versus Swiss franc currency pair. Next one is the spot gold. Spot gold, I was expecting a drop, we never got it. So the way I see market is rising up, and there's another problem as well. We got this as a possible wave A, B, C, D, E. So this is 1, 2. Expect more upside in spot gold. Okay, let me go over here. Here's the spot gold, is trying to fire up over here. Now I'm going to reduce the lot size over here. Okay. Okay, this is the silver. Next, check out the XAU-USD pair. On this one. So trading, new order 105. Okay, so spot gold and spot silver both are going up. I've taken a trade over here, and there's one trade going on, the sell inside Aussie dollar currency pair. Okay, so spot gold, the way I see market just keep swing highs and highs I do have a sell trade plan. It might not work, so price action is only going to provide us a sizable decline if it's going to break below this old support area. Otherwise, it's an uptrend. Next one is the spot silver, which is also going up. Okay, so silver, same story. We got this bullish rally, and this is telling we've got this is probably wave A, B, C, D, E. So expect more upside in silver. It's not going to stop. Next one is the silver 4-hour time frame. We got this bullish breakout, and the way I see markets probably going to rise up more over here. Next one is the USDCAD. Well, I told you yesterday, actually 2 days ago, that we're going to get a bottom over here inside US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair. So we got this rally, but this is just a bullish leg for the day, and I think market is going to rise up more inside US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair. Okay, so that was a buy trade setup. Hopefully you guys managed to make some money out of it. Use your own day trading strategies to look for potential buy trade setups. Okay, so USDCAD, here's a breakout, and we got the bullish breakout above 1.3778 level. So now I expect a pullback, and then expect more upside in US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair. Okay, next one is the USDJPY. Okay, we got this bullish leg. This is telling me that market wants to go up first. Okay, and I would prefer to wait for the market to rise up more, then look for a potential sell trade setup inside US dollar JPY currency pair. Next one is the GBPJPY. GBPJPY actually tested this old swing high, and then we got just a spike of a candlestick. So this candlestick, which actually left a tail above the old swing high, this is just a false breakout, and we want the price action to go up one more time, close a bullish candlestick above the old swing high, and then look for a potential sell trade setup inside GBPJPY currency pair. Next one is the Euro Yen currency pair. Market is trying to rise up over here, so we might get a new high over here. Okay, so as far as the sell trade plan is concerned, this is what I've mentioned yesterday, that wait for the price action to drop below 169.69 level, then look for a potential sell trade setup. Otherwise, wait outside. There's no need to sell up over here. Okay, next one is the Swiss franc JPY. Swiss franc JPY is trying to rise up. I'm waiting for a pullback, and the market needs to create a pullback first. Otherwise, wait outside. No need to take a trade. Okay, next one is the so this is the level. A good idea is to wait for the price action to show you a bearish breakdown in market first. Next one is the AUDJPY. Price action is rising up. Wait for a bearish leg. So far we're not getting a bearish leg, so wait for it. Wait for the market to drop first before you try to join an uptrend over here. It's not a good idea to buy at the current market price in AUDJPY currency. A good idea is to wait for a pullback. Next one is the Euro AUD is trying to drop. I was kind of waiting for a deeper pullback over here, and we only got a few pips rally over here, which is not enough. Next one is the WTI crude oil. Crude oil, I told you already that crude oil is going to rise up. It is probably going to create a false bullish breakout, then expect a top and a drop. Next one is the AUD NZD, which is going up. So I expect more upside. It's an uptrend. Use your own buy trading strategies and look for potential buy trade setup inside AUD NZD currency pair. Next one is the EUROCAD. We got the top in EUROCAD. I want the market to show sizable pull back first around 0.618% Fibonacci retracement level before I consider any potential sell trade over here. So wait for a bullish leg in Euro CAD currency pair, and then look for somewhere around this area. Wait for the price action to show you some sort of a bearish reaction, then look for a sell trade. Otherwise wait outside, let it go. Okay, next one is the Euro GBP. Euro GBP is moving up. Well, this is what I was expecting. Okay, now I took a sell over here in Euro GBP currency pair, made some money out of it. Now market keep trying to fire up over here. Let's take a look at a 15 minutes chart and see what's on. So Euro GBP price action is trying to break low, but it's a bit kind of a slow moving currency pair. I would prefer not to trade it. Next one is the GBPCAD. I was expecting a drop in GBPCAD. I think the move is over in GBPCAD. So was a sell trade plan over here. Hopefully you guys managed to make some money out of it. Let me go back to the trading terminal and see how many pips market is trying to give me. Okay, the XAUUSD pair, the spot gold is going up. Well, that's good to know. The number one thing to do is to place a stop loss over here, and I'm going to use a protective trailing stop first. Okay, so let me go over here, cut it, stop loss, place a stop loss over here. Okay, so this is called lock profit, this is called trade management. Once you are in profit, you need to protect your trading capital. Now price action is firing up in spot gold, so we got about $200 profit over here. I reduced the lot size because the trading range is high. It's quite a volatile trading instrument over here. Okay, let's take a look at silver. Silver is also trying to break higher. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let's see what's going on. Okay, silver is trying to move higher, like the same way we got a bullish leg in spot gold. So this was a pullback, and then market rallied back up over here. So the way I see, the spot gold is going to rise up more. Same goes with the spot silver. Okay, regarding the Aussie dollar trade, price action is trying to rise up over here. I might close the Aussie dollar sell trade over here with a small loss over here. So let me close that one. It's not working. It's trying to move against my sell over here. So it's a good idea to take a loss, get out of the market. Okay, next one is the gold. Okay, gold is kind of pushing higher. We got 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth bullish candlestick, and we only have 1 minute and few seconds remaining for the spot gold candlestick to close. Silver is also trying to push higher, so I'm going to place a stop loss in silver. Okay, so put a stop loss in silver. Here we go. Okay. Okay, silver is trying to drop over here. That's not good. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is still charging up. The silver is trying to show some resistance. Okay, so I think it's a good idea to close the gold trade over here. Okay, let me close it. Okay, close, out of the market. So the only trade that's left now is the spot silver. Let's see if silver is trying to go up over here or not. If it tries to drop, I will close the trade with the loss. Okay, I've placed a stop loss right at this low over here. We only have few seconds for the 5 minutes candlestick to close. Okay, so this was a nice rally, a quick spot gold, and here's the silver, spot silver XAG here. Okay, silver is probably going to rise up again one more time. because we got this kind of a doji candlestick over here. So let's see if it tries to go up one more time or not. Okay, seems to me spot gold is trying to drop over here. Okay, silver is trying to drop over here a little bit. It could hit the stop loss. Let's see. Aussie was, kind of trying to go up, so I thought it's a good idea to close it with a loss, small loss. Take the loss, get out of the market. Not all the times, market is going to hit your target. Not all the times you're going to make money. If it's a losing trade, cut it, get out of the market, and move on to the next trade. The main idea or the main goal is to make more money and lose less. Okay, try to manage the risk as much as possible. Okay, so the spot gold is pushing higher, and this is most likely going to drag up the spot silver as well. Okay, we got this doji, and it's almost there to take out the high of this candlestick at 40.92. Let's see if it happens or not. So you see the spot gold, it's firing up, and here comes the spot silver. Okay, close out of the market. Okay, so let's see. Over here, time. Okay, so this was the losing trade, minus $76 loss. Then comes the spot gold buy trade, $15 profit. Then comes the spot gold, 230. Overall, I got profit. Okay, one losing trade, two winning trades. I got some more winning trades up there. Market hit the trailing stop on Euro and Aussie, but I managed to make money out of it instead of losing money. Okay, so that was some of the short-term trades over here. Now you see it tested the high, and now it's again trying to drop over here. Okay, if you check out the gold is probably going to show us some signs, create a pullback and then rise up more, because the long-term forecast is bullish in gold, and this is also going to drag the spot silver as well higher. So wait for a pullback and then look for potential buy trades, and use your own buy trading strategies. Okay, if you do not have a trading strategy, check out my website. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the time being from my side, and I will try to do the next live session tomorrow, same time. So from my side, have a nice day, and bye bye. See you tomorrow.